Deploying an unstructured, generalized language model directly into an enterprise environment creates erratic energy spikes and operational friction. There is a vast difference between casually chatting with a consumer AI to brainstorm ideas and architecting a reliable system for human-AI collaboration. Without strict routing filters and clear human logic, massive models act as operational bottlenecks, requiring constant prompt wrangling to produce useful outputs. Successful AI deployment requires a structural engineering approach that treats the model as one component within a larger, governed system. Successfully offloading specialized cognitive work requires a tripartite delegation architecture. This framework follows a sequence of 3 essential layers: problem awareness, platform awareness, and task delegation. The operational value of this entire structure relies on deterministic integrations linking the model to external enterprise tools. The cornerstone of AI delegation begins with the human expert defining the success metric. Problem awareness acts as the limiting reagent of this framework. Human domain expertise is required before any technology is evaluated. An empathy mapping protocol audits a user's daily workflow. Categorizing tasks isolates highly repetitive loops, mechanical actions draining time. We then isolate the remaining decision gates requiring strategic analysis, ensuring they remain under human control. These repetitive loops typically involve pre-processing work, such as aggregating data across isolated silos or drafting boilerplate communications. Relying on human effort for manual data retrieval is the modern equivalent of walking a floppy disk across an office to transfer a file. Performing manual data entry for enterprise routing mirrors the bottlenecks of an acoustical coupler modem. Problem awareness preserves human cognition for high-level strategy by strictly isolating these repetitive workflows for automation. Platform awareness maps these isolated workflows to the technical capabilities of available AI systems. Parameter bloat often results in massive, monolithic structures cracking under their own weight. The parameter fallacy assumes more parameters equals better performance. In reality, massive models frequently fail at enterprise tasks without rigid, localized constraints. This chart maps compute cost against task specificity. Effective selection matches architecture to task. We evaluate data provenance and security requirements. Overly generalized models hallucinate on nuanced tasks, so efficiency is found in smaller, optimized models perfectly aligned to a single isolated workflow. Successful platform awareness matches the specific constraints of the AI tool to the constraints of the task. The final layer is task delegation, the phase where work is distributed via automation, augmentation, or agency. In an enterprise architecture, passive text generation is replaced by active virtual assistants. The dialogue flow interface serves as the primary intake mechanism and the structural backbone of the assistant. Extensions provide the deterministic APIs that allow foundational models to bypass the limitations of their static training data. The large language model serves as a reasoning engine, routing requests through these external integrations rather than holding enterprise data natively. In an automated sequence, the core assistant parses intent. It pings a secure database to execute a transaction and simultaneously pings a scheduling API to confirm a calendar event, merging outputs into a verified action. Mapping intent to deterministic API parameters reduces manual entry errors while providing a clear audit trail for human review. Bridging probabilistic reasoning with an extension architecture converts model outputs into tangible business actions. The fully integrated delegation engine operates as a sequential pipeline. Human expertise defines the goal, platform awareness selects the optimized tool, and integration extensions execute the task. This architecture preserves critical human agency by automating the preparatory tasks that often obscure high-level strategy. Strategic delegation eliminates the operational friction that currently bottlenecks enterprise workflows, clearing the way for immediate action and unobstructed forward momentum. Enterprise AI acts as a set of engineered tracks, allowing human workers to accelerate through complex problem spaces without the burden of manual data handling.